In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check sales on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside your Shopify admin to see how each product is performing and how to use that insight to guide your marketing and merchandising decisions. First, open the Shopify website and go to your store's admin. This is your home base where you manage products, orders, and performance. From here, we're heading straight to the data that matters most for product-level sales. On the left-hand menu, click Analytics. The Analytics area gives you a clear picture of how your business is doing overall, things like sales trends, traffic, and conversion. It's designed to help you move beyond guesses and make decisions based on what your customers are actually buying. Inside Analytics, click Reports. Reports are more detailed, structured views of your data. They're organized so you can dig into specific questions without building anything from scratch. This is where Shopify groups your performance by categories like sales, customers, and products. Next, enter the Retail section and click Retail Sales by Product. This report focuses on your retail channel, highlighting how individual products are selling in that environment. It's especially useful if you use Shopify for point-of-sale or in-person sales, or if you want to isolate retail performance separately from your online store. Once you're in the Retail Sales by Product report, you'll see a list of products along with key sales metrics. Look for indicators such as units sold, gross and net sales, and any discounts or returns associated with each product. Together, these numbers tell the story of what's moving and what might be underperforming. The top items give you a blueprint for what's working in your retail setup, things like strong demand, effective placement, or pricing that resonates. The slower items point to where you may need more marketing support, better placement, clearer messaging, or a fresh promotion. Use this report as an overview of your product performance. It helps you prioritize where to focus attention, whether that's replenishing bestsellers, planning a spotlight for items that need a push, or refining your mix to match what customers are buying. Even small insights, like a product that sells well when bundled, or one that performs stronger on certain days, can guide smarter decisions across your retail operations. That's it. Open Shopify, go to Analytics, select Reports, and in the Retail section, choose Retail Sales by Product. Check the results, spot your winners, identify what needs more marketing, and let the data drive your next move.